Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the XDeep aluminium single tank adapter. So this is made out of the same aluminium alloy as their lightweight backplates on the Ghost. Incredibly lightweight, so fantastic for travel, but it's still nice and strong. This is like aero grade material, so very strong but still very light. So this will attach to the back of your backplate. You can then thread your traditional sort of 2-inch webbing cam band sort of underneath there, and then that will then sort of become a single tank adapter. It will hold your cylinder in position and stop it from rolling around or sort of twisting whilst you're in the water. So you can attach 2 cam bands to that. You have 3 attachment points. It comes with 2 bolts and all the hardware that you need to bolt it onto your backplate. Fantastic accessory if you're sort of diving single cylinders with a single sort of backplate whilst traveling. Because it's that lightweight, it's fantastic for traveling. This is the XDeep aluminium single tank adapter. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.